Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 2 multiply 4 divided 4 multiply 2. This looks simple, right? But still many people fail to solve this because they take the wrong approach. They solve 2 times 4 as 8, 4 times 2 as 8 and 8 divided by 8 as 1, which is the incorrect answer. Yes, you heard it right. When we have given multiple operation, then we have to follow Bodmas or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, you have to give priority. Both multiplication and division have same priority, but you have to solve from left to right. Always remember. So here 2 multiply 4 is 8 divided by 4 multiply 2. Now 8 divided by 4 first, then multiply 2. So this gives us 2 times 2, that is 4, which is the right answer, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.